have done chapter number 1, final accounts. And just recapping and revising the chapter number 1, I have covered some important topics and which you can remember easily. So I have prepared final accounts. The first one you all know, trading account. In the books of whichever the partner's name is given in the question, you have to write here. Then after that it is a trading account for the year ended 31st March, whichever year mentioned in the question you have to write here. Then there's some important things which I have written over here. So this is the very basic things that anyone can remember easily. So in the debit side it is opening stock, on credit side you all know closing stock. Yes. Again, on the debit side it is opening stock, on the credit side it is closing stock. Next thing you can remember easily is two purchases less purchase return, which is opposite of this by sales less sales return. Sales return comes on the credit side and purchase and purchase return comes on the debit side in trading account. Alright. Now the most important thing that many of duties that you all are confused. So the import duty and the custom duty, whenever it is given in the question, it will come in the trading account. And export duty I have written in profit and loss account. So whenever export duty comes, you have to write on the profit and loss debit side. Again, import and custom duty you have to write on debit side, and export duty you have to write in profit and loss account debit side. I hope you remember this. Now the next one is to wages and salaries. If it is given in the question that it is a wages, of course it's come in the trading account. And if it is given wages and salaries, this also comes under the trading account. But if the question starts with salaries and wages, that means it comes under profit and loss account debit side. Okay. First letter you have to remember. If it's the wages, then you have to write in the trading account. But if it is start with salary, then you have to write in the profit and loss account. Now the next one is we will see the profit and loss account. We have done this two things. Now we come to this to interest account. And I have written opposite over here, interest received. So mostly in the question they have given you interest amount is debit side, that means you have to write on the debit, and they have written only interest and the amount on the credit side, that means it comes under by interest. You can write interest or you can write interest received as well. Okay. Now the next one I have continued here to commission. So, and on the opposite of this by commission received. Then I have written dividend on the debit side. Opposite of this is dividend received. Okay. And the next one is very important. The name here it is unproductive wages. Now they also confused you by giving wages by two types. One is productive wages and the second one is the unproductive wages. Okay. So whenever comes productive wages, you have to write in trading account debit side. Good. What? To productive wages. But if they given you unproductive wages, that means you have to write on the profit and loss account debit side. Most important thing, if they given you productive wages, you have to write on debit side. If they given you unproductive wages, you have to write on profit and loss debit side. I hope you understood these two accounts very clearly. Now we will see the balance sheet. Balance sheet, most common things I have covered. Capital you all know, liability side it will come. Below this trade drawings, below that add net profit you will get from profit and loss account. You have to add that to capital. Then interest on capital it is less, and if interest on drawing you have to add to capital. So you have to remember this format. If you don't remember, just thoroughly thoroughly remember this format, and you will do the sum very easily. Now the next one is comes on the liabilities. Why? Because you have to pay to someone. Okay, you have a liability to pay to someone. Now, on the opposite side, asset side, bills receivable. Bills payable comes here. On the opposite side, bills receivable. Now, the next one is the creditors. Opposite of creditors, debtors. Opposite of outstanding expenses is prepaid expenses. Okay. Now, outstanding means you have to pay to someone. For example, many expenses like rent, wages, salaries. Okay. And prepaid expenses that you have already paid in advance. Okay. So it comes under assets. So I hope all these things is very clear to you and you can remember very easily. So thank you so much.